In this video, I'll show you how to link your social media account to SoEarnit. First, log into your SoEarnit account. After logging into your dashboard, click on Account and Link Social page. Read and follow the steps. Most important, you'll need to add your username to your account bio for ownership verification. Scroll down and select the social media platform you want to link, such as Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Enter the correct username or profile link of the account you will use to perform tasks. Submit the account for verification and make sure the account is active and belongs to you. You cannot perform any task or earn on SoEarnit without linking and verifying your social media account. This process helps protect advertisers and ensures fair payment for all users. Once your account is verified, you can start completing tasks and earning on SoEarnit. Visit SoEarnit today and get started.